Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with another drama after a drama. And mind you guys, starting in 2025. Imagine still together and Dominic and Maweni are now striking. By a striker. Like by a strike. Guys,
Ahambe naleyo tikoloshi ayofuna he-shell sizokhuluma ezinye izinto yazi ngizonikhuluma WhatsApp.
but guys, you said you're taking a break from social media because you feel bullied. While you're a bully yourself. Okay, fine. Look what Scotty gave her opinion. Ngenkathi bambuza question ku-podcast yakhe about uDominic and Nobangile story. Wakhuluma opinion yakhe ugogo Scotty. Then she was dragged. And azange asho in the bed because laphayana video washo it's like the only thing I don't like ukuthi ucoshisa abantu emsebenzini. Standing out for yourself is a good thing, but like ucoshisa abantu emsebenzini, do you understand ukuthi we have a high unemployment rate, and then when ucoshisa umuntu emsebenzini, what's that? Shuthi-ke uDominic akwade-ke yabo, and then he starts saying Gogo Skhotheni akabukho kulama-event wakhe nama-gig wakhe, and then when Gogo Skhotheni started reciprocating her energy, she's now the wrongest person ever.
I don't have anything against you. I was having an opinion. I was not even expecting this.
Now everything is about Dominic because he simply can't tolerate my comments. Guys, once you go into a public eye, you must expect the worst. You must expect the worst. There's nothing more traumatic than ukuzikhipha social media. You must expect the worst. So uhotspota ibeef yakhe to ugogo Maweni. Now,
Number one, I was Dominic's friend way before you invited Dominic to your stupid podcast that started Kalibizolaga in the first place.
Mrs. Mafilter sekangenelile, and you all know what Mrs. Mafilter doesn't like ugogo Skhotheni, and she always had so much hatred to ugogo Skhotheni. They're now throwing shades, but in the Skhotheni gay.
When I was asked to give bums to the husband, I was there.
Mind you, these people every time they always talk about Umonde Shange, and guys, Umonde is always quiet. Ugogo Maweni also released a statement that Ugogo Skhotheni is dating a minister in a funeral parlor, and Minister Kona Ishadire. Like she wants something ezovisa Ugogo Skhotheni by all means.
My husband is gay. I don't know his name.
Guys, ngintshela nokuthi bangakwazi nokuphefumula the way nje bengafuna ukumbona phansi ngakhona. Like angazi mina kokuba wena umzondani uSkhoseni yazi, like aze ajump into a beef, but then ibeef yakhona ayisese ngoDominic, ibeef yakhona seyingayi noSkhotheni ukuthi yeah wena ulale noMpumelelo Mseleko wena this and this and that. Guys, this is a fight engeke iphele. I-fight engeke iphele because now ugogo Maweni is dragging umntana Skhotheni sekathi yeah lo mntana kholofile. Guys, this is so painful. You don't play with such things. Ngenxa yokuthi Dominic couldn't stand up for himself. Umuntu uthi uhambile yena uyothatha i-break nyana in 24 hours. Hayi ngibhore unyaka wonke shem guys. But ke let us stand with ugogo Skhotheni in these difficult times nama Powerpuff Girls. Thank you guys for watching.